Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a cake to celebrate diversity of all kinds. So this cake is going to be covered with flowers. Each one is different than the others. No two flowers will be exactly the same, and I'm very much looking forward to this just to help us all recognize how we are different from each other and how that is still beautiful. So let's get started.
I started out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I decided to cover the cake with green fondant, so I rolled it out. And I'm using this flower rolling pin to give an impression of flower shapes. And I laid it over the cake, smoothed it on, and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I made a pink rose and placed it on the cake. If you need a tutorial on how to make a fondant rose, see the link in the card. Then I cut out some daisies with a few small plunger cutters. I'll be using these later for the border. Then I made a pink daisy flower and placed it on the cake. Now, one of my personal favorites, I cut out 2 of these cutters and worked them a bit to make a pink carnation. Then I cut out some hearts from pink. I folded the round parts of the hearts and placed them with the points up to make a tulip. Then I rolled out some red fondant and cut out the border pieces first. This little flower isn't any particular flower, but I thought it was cute. Maybe in a stretch or poppy? Then I cut out a whole bunch of different sized daisy cutters and stacked them on top of each other to resemble a chrysanthemum. Now let's move on to yellow. I cut out a 5-pointed star and some hearts, folded them with the points up like the tulip, but only 4 to make a daffodil. And I made another tulip with yellow. Don't forget the border flowers. And another chrysanthemum in yellow. How about some blue? And I made some fantasy flowers with different cutters. I also cut out some hearts and folded them together with the points pointing out. And now white. Don't forget the border flowers. How about a nice big daisy and a small daisy? And I wanted a white rosebud. Then I alternated colors and sizes of the border flowers to create the border along the bottom of the cake. And I stacked the leftover border flowers to create unique little fantasy daisies to fill in a few of the gaps. I am officially in love. These flowers turned out amazing. Not all of them look like real flowers, but they are clearly all flower representations. I may even eventually turn a few into tutorials. Which flower tutorials would you like to see? Write me in the comments below. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.